waiting for a big pot of water to boil, then breaking the pasta to make it fit? When it's time to strain, it can be a pain. Now there's a better way with the Pasta Express. Just watch. Place the pasta in the Pasta Express. Pour in boiling water covering the pasta. Press the strainer into place. Pop on the thermal lid, and the pasta cooks right before your eyes in minutes. The secret is the revolutionary thermal conductivity design that keeps the water the perfect temperature for perfect cooking every time. Here's the best part. Remove the lid and drain and strain the pasta at the same time. Since nothing sticks, cleanup is a breeze. It's dishwasher safe. Cook all types of pasta perfectly. Angel hair, fusilli, orzo. And it's not just for cooking plain pasta. Cook all your favorite veggies quickly and easily without boiling away all the minerals, vitamins, and nutrients. Delicious. Now you don't need specialty cookware to make perfectly tender asparagus. Broccoli and cavatelli has never been easier. Just add olive oil, garlic, seasonings, toss, and you're done. Cook, strain, add butter and parsley, toss for the best gnocchi ever. Never overcook shrimp again. Perfect shrimp cocktail every time. You'll get rays for your ravioli. Serve delicious peas that are sure to please. Order your Cook, Strain, and Drain Pasta Express with deluxe color recipe guide for only $19.99 and receive the personal size free. Makes great, quick and easy, delicious hot dogs. Watch again. Just add hot water and the pasta cooks right before your eyes. You get it all. The Pasta Express, the Personal Size Express, and the Deluxe Color Recipe Guide, all for only $19.99. Fill the Pasta Express with your favorite pasta for the perfect gift. Here's how to order.
Call 1-800-327-1219. That's 1-800-327-1219.